Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Kulkarni. Today we will discuss about the cardiovascular system. The term is made up of the two words. First one is the cardia, that is the heart, and the vascular, it means the blood vessels. The study of heart is called as the cardiology, and cardiology is the medical science in which the diagnosis and the treatment of the disease and the disorders related to the heart and the blood vessels are studied. Then in the adult human, the normal heart rate is about 60 to 100 beats per minute, and it is in the fetus, it is about 120 to 160 beats per minute. If the heart rate is decreased below the 60, then it is called as the bradycardia, and if it increase in the above the 100, then it is called as the tachycardia. The first heartbeat was seen after the 3 weeks in the pregnancy. Then we discuss about the structure of the heart. Uh, Firstly, the walls of the heart. The heart is made up of the three walls. First one is the endometrium, then myometrium, and the perimetrium. Endometrium, it is the innermost layer, and it is muscular in nature. Then myometrium, it is middle layer, and it is the thickest layer of the heart. And third one is the perimetrium. Perimetrium, it is the outermost layer, and the function of the perimetrium is the protection. Perimetrium is made up of the two layers, that is the visceral and the parietal, and there is the fluid which is present between the visceral layer and the parietal layer to absorb the shock and maintain the elasticity of the heart. Then septums. There are two types of septums present in the heart. One is the atrioventricular, and second one is the atrial septum, and third one is the ventricular septum. First one is the atrial septum, which is present between the two atriums. Then second is the ventricular, it is present between the two ventricles. And third one is the atrioventricular, it is present between the atrium and the ventricles. Then the human heart is made up of the four chambers. From this, two are atrium and the two are ventricles. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Now we discuss about the circulation of the blood through the heart. Firstly, the deoxygenated blood from the lower and upper parts of the body is come in the right atrium via superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Then the blood in the right atrium comes in the right ventricle. There is a special type of wall present between the right atrium and the right ventricle called as the tricuspid wall. Then after the blood come in the right ventricle, then the blood goes towards the lungs for the exchange of the gases, where the oxygen is imported in the blood and CO2 is excreted. Then after the oxygenation of the blood, then blood is enter in the left atrium. Then after the blood is go towards the right ventricle, and also there is a wall present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. It is called as the bicuspid or the mitral wall. After that, the thickness of the left ventricle is larger than the other ventricles, because the contraction of the ventricles happens and the blood is pumped for the all over part of the body. Then the generation of the impulse or the current. Firstly, the impulse is generated at the SN node, the sinoatrial node. It is called as the pacemaker. Then it is go towards the AV node, that is also called as the peace setter. Then after that the AV node to the bundle of vis and the Purkinje fibers, and the contraction or the relaxation of the heart is takes place. In the circulation of the blood through the heart, one is the important point, and that is to be noted. Mostly the artery contains the deoxygenated blood and veins contain the oxygenated blood. but here in the circulation of the heart there is a pulmonary artery which carries the oxygenated blood, and in the vein there is carries the deoxygenated blood. This is all about the circulation of the blood in the heart. Thank you.